Welcome to at Ahmed Ismail Dev. If you're looking to master AWS Cloud Computing, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore what AWS is, how cloud computing works, and why AWS is the leading cloud provider today. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, this guide will help you understand AWS in depth. So let's get started. AWS, or Amazon Web Services, is a cloud computing platform that provides on-demand services like computing power, storage, databases, machine learning, and security. Instead of maintaining physical servers, businesses can use AWS to scale applications, reduce costs, and ensure security. Companies like Netflix, Airbnb, NASA, and even small startups rely on AWS for their infrastructure. Now, what is cloud computing? Simply put, it's the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet. This offers several benefits: scalability, expand or reduce resources as needed, cost efficiency, pay only for what you use, security, AWS provides global compliance and data protection, and flexibility, work from anywhere, anytime. Let's talk about AWS's global infrastructure. AWS operates in over 30 regions worldwide, each containing multiple availability zones, or AZs, to ensure high availability and fault tolerance. Some key features include regions and AZs for redundancy and disaster recovery, edge locations to improve content delivery via AWS CloudFront, and hybrid cloud and multi-cloud integration with on-premise data centers. Moving on to AWS core services and advanced use cases. For compute services, you have EC2 providing virtual machines with auto-scaling, AWS Lambda for serverless computing, and EKS and ECS for managed Kubernetes and Docker container services. Imagine hosting a microservices application using EKS with auto-scaling and load balancing. In storage and databases, there's S3 for secure scalable object storage, EBS for high-performance storage for EC2 instances, RDS for managed databases like MySQL and PostgreSQL, and DynamoDB for a serverless NoSQL database for high-speed transactions. Think about creating a data pipeline using S3, AWS Glue, and Redshift for real-time analytics. Networking and security services include VPC for an isolated network within AWS, AWS DUAF and Shield for DDoS protection, and IAM for secure access policies. Picture deploying a secure hybrid cloud setup using AWS Direct Connect and VPN. For AI and machine learning, you have SageMaker to build and deploy ML models, AWS Rekognition for image and video analysis, and AWS Textract for document processing with AI. Consider using AWS SageMaker to analyze real-time IoT sensor data for predictive maintenance. Now let's discuss AWS cost optimization. AWS follows a pay-as-you-go model, but there are ways to optimize costs. Use AWS Cost Explorer to analyze spending, consider savings plans and reserve instances for predictable workloads, use spot instances for non-critical applications, and optimize S3 storage lifecycle to move old data to cheaper tiers like Glacier and intelligent tiering. So how do you get started with AWS today? First, sign up for AWS free tier and explore services. Next, learn AWS through AWS training and certification. Build real-world projects to gain experience and join AWS developer forums and GitHub repositories for collaboration. Thank you for watching this video on AWS Cloud Computing. I hope you gained valuable insights into how AWS works and its advanced applications. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to @Ahmed Ismail Dev for more tech content. Let me know in the comments what AWS topic you'd like me to cover next. Until next time, keep learning and stay ahead in the cloud computing game.